I'm good.
Hi, this is Jim from Byrider, just giving you a few points on what you need to check with your vehicle to keep it running good. First thing we'd like to point out is please check your oil. Do it often. Oil normally has a yellow dipstick in it. You'll be able to find it fairly easy under your hood, as seen in the example. The other thing we'd like to point out is also check your coolant. Coolant also has its own cover, and check that regularly. Transmission fluid also has a yellow top on it, says transmission on it. Should be checking that. Your brake fluid. And the last item that you'd want to check, especially in Wisconsin, would be your washer fluid. If you keep those items full and maintained, I would recommend checking them at least every 2 weeks. For sure, once a month would be great. Also remember to please change your oil at 3,000 mile intervals to keep your warranty good. And if you have any questions, never be afraid to call your Byrider service department where you bought the car from.